These are tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. We have 5 right triangles. We also have a parallelogram, and we have a square. One way in which we can use the tangram shapes is to add fractions with a common denominator. So here I have an expression 1/2 plus 4/2, and I'm going to represent it with the tangram shapes. So from previous exploration, I know that I can work with halves using the medium triangle and the small triangles. So here I have 2 small triangles that make the medium triangle. If I remove one, I've now represented 1/2. Now in order to continue with this, I'm going to need to use multiple sets of the tangram shapes. So I've represented 1/2. Now I'm going to take medium triangles from 2 other tangram sets to make 4/2. So here we go. There's my 4/2. Now I can add these together, and I'm going to choose to do it by counting by unit fractions. So here I have 1/2, 2/2, 3/2, 4/2, 5/2. And I notice that that's an improper fraction. So I could choose to change it to a mixed number. Now what's nice about the representation is we can very easily see the mixed number that's represented, because here's 2 whole and a half. So here's one way in which we can use the tangram shapes to help us with adding fractions with common denominators.